Hi, I'm Nick Cessna. I'm part of the class of 2013. I play varsity baseball at the high school and for the Legion team. I'm a middle infielder. I scored a 24 on my ACT and I have a 3.44 GPA.
My name is A.J. Canning. I'm the manager of the Westphal American Legion baseball program. Here to talk to you a little bit about Nick Cessna. Nick is a middle of the infield guy for us. Got a plus arm, above average range, got a little bit of pop in his bat. Nick loves to play the game and will do anything it takes for our team to win. Look forward to having Nick around again next year.